I want to stay in Mama. I want to see Mama. I want to see Mama every day in the school.
And
I
then,
don't want to say bye to Mama.
but you will be in grade 1.
No, I don't want to go to grade 1.
Why? But you will still see Ma'am Ann in the school, but she will not be your teacher anymore.
I want Mama be my teacher.
But you are not kinder. You will,
At least.
today you will say goodbye to Ma'am Ann.
No.
Sama na na to.
I don't want to say goodbye to Mama.
You should just say see you around Ma'am Ann.
No. I don't want to see her. I don't want to
Why?
leave Mama's school.
Why?
Because Mama's school is so cool
And
beautiful.
why? Will you miss Ma'am Ann?
No, I will miss Mama
How about your classmates?
and me.
But your classmates, imong mga classmates ba mao pod imong classmates sa grade 1? Namang kay mga classmates dito. Sila mong gihapon.
At Mama.
Saan man na to? Kinder, di naman ka kinder.
I really want to be kinder.
You don't want to be a big boy na? Kuya na?
I will be kinder.
Ma'am Ann will visit your room man in grade 1.
No.